तो पहली बात तो ये कि आई डू नॉट एग्री विद दैट, इवन दो मैं खुद बहुत बड़ा प्रोपोनेंट हूँ कि इंसान को प्रैक्टिकल होना चाहिए जिंदगी में, सिर्फ पढ़ाई नहीं और भी चीजें करनी चाहिए. You only know about the ones who were successful despite missing out education. They were not successful because they dropped out. They were successful because they did not have an option and they had to find a way to succeed. तो आई बिलीव कि जिस बंदे को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है ये पढ़ाई करने की, उसको ज्यादा सक्सेसफुल होना चाहिए, पहली बात. दूसरी बात, self education is something else. You have to be teaching and learning every single day. When I was working for 16, 17, 18 years that I have been doing, every single day when I show up, my energy level is the same. My positivity is the same. No matter what sort of day we're having. Because that is how you approach life. So same thing applies to what you're saying. Okay, no matter whether you have education or you don't have education, if you want to do something in life, you have to find a way to make it happen. दुनिया में दो किस्म के लोग होते हैं. एक who find a way to make things happen, दूसरे who find excuses as to why something didn't happen. And excuses don't pay for anything.
Give us a little more information about it. This is my first question. My other question is that you told us about everything, like happiness, being consistent, being hardworking, being positive, but how to start something. Everybody says that follow your dreams, but when you know this is the barrier and I cannot cross this barrier to follow my dream, what to do? And even if there's no barrier, you can follow your dream, but what's that thing that is stopping us from doing even a little task in our lives? What's the little thing that lacks and it's stopping us from everything in our lives? We are it's very difficult for us to move, to just step out from that. What's that?
It's like going to the gym. You think about going to the gym every day. And you want to have that beach body. Right? You want to work out and you want to have that perfect physique. And every guy I know wants to do that. जिनका इतना भी पेट निकला हुआ है, वो भी कहते हैं कि यार, लेकिन कहते हैं यार बस जिम जाए, वेट कोई और उठा ले हमारा. Same thing applies over here. So when you go to the gym, right, you get up one day and you go. And then you go the next day, and you go the next day, and you go the next day. And after a month you start seeing results and you're like, okay, मुझे थोड़ी सी break चाहिए. Right? That's exactly what applies to over here. Taking a start without overthinking. Most dreams are killed because we overthink them. Not because they could not be achieved. So you have to stop overthinking and do something. So my brother-in-law, he wants to be a movie producer. Okay, that's his dream. He wants to be a movie producer. ठीक है जी? His name is Salman. And he has been telling me for a long time that this is what he wants to do. Now I always tell him two things. Number one, do it. And number two, if you really want to do something, you don't have to meet a producer, you don't have to create a drama. You've got social media, utilize that. Start making skits on social media and putting them there and see, you already have an audience. See what people like, and if people like it, keep posting it. If they don't like it, change it and post something else. It's a small example. Today, our society has the biggest advantage through social media that no other society ever had, if we use it positively. मतलब कि मैं इतने ज़बरदस्त मैसेजेस देता हूँ, लेकिन उसके साथ कोई और वीडियो लगी हुई है जिसके अंदर कोई फनी वीडियो है, उस पर 2 मिलियन लाइक्स. जो सीरियस मैसेज होता है, people don't watch it because people don't want to consume content that tells them the reality. So that's the thing. You got to take a start. Number two, what does our company do? We are a telemarketing company. We have both voice and non-voice programs. And you just need to have a laptop and an internet connection, and the rest we train you for everything. So you don't have to worry about any of that.
अपने आप को ऑर्गेनाइज करना कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, ड्रेसिंग से लेकर अपने अल्फाज को ऑर्गेनाइज कर देना?
Well, it can go both ways. ठीक है, मतलब कि अगर आप पहले ऑर्गेनाइज करना चाहते हो और फिर कुछ स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं तो ये नहीं होगा. पहले आप स्टार्ट करें और उसके बाद अपने आप को ऑर्गेनाइज करें. वो चीज़ें साथ साथ हो जाती हैं.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि ये कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है किसी भी कंपनी के अंदर ग्रो करने के लिए?
In today's world, not as much. Like, you want to make an effort, yes, if you can, but if your work speaks for itself, then those things matter less.
Thank you so much, sir. Firstly, I'd like to say I'm very glad I chose to sit in this seminar because
Thank you.
it's a lot of new things. My question is about you. Have there been times when you really wanted to do something and you actually worked hard for it, but the result was not what you wanted? So were you let down? Did you give up? Or if not, so what made you keep moving?
It happens every day. Happens every single day. But that is why not everybody becomes successful. Because only a few of us have the ability to get up the next day and forget about what happened the previous day. If everybody was us, then we would be everybody. And there would be no value to us. तो सक्सेसफुल इंसान की वैल्यू है इसलिए क्योंकि बाकी सब उसकी तरह नहीं सोचते हैं. और उस तरह सोचने के लिए कोई चीज़ नहीं अचीव की, नो बिग डील, यू मूव फॉरवर्ड. आई हैव हैड a lot of setbacks in my life, a lot of difficulties, and in closing I'll share something with you. So एक टाइम था हम एक रेंटेड हाउस में रहते थे, उसका रेंट 11,000 रुपीज़ अ मंथ था और हमें मालिक मकान ने घर से बाहर निकाल दिया था. एंड वी डिड नॉट हैव द रेंट टू पे or any place to go or the ability to put food on the table. And yet I am here. So what is your excuse? So what is your excuse? Ask yourself that. I want to let you guys know I have absolutely enjoyed the audience. You guys were great, some fantastic questions, and you guys took out time for me and you mean something to me, and I love all of you. All right?